ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। 8th मंत्र, पेज 857। अस्थूलम, we have to memorize this mantra, so you have to group them so that it is easy to memorize. अस्थूलम अनणु अह्रस्वम अदीर्घम 4, अलोहितम अस्नेहम 2, अच्छायम अतमो 2 more, अवायु अनाकाशम, then असंगम अरसम अगंधम, अचक्षुष्कम अश्रोत्रम अवाग अमनो, then अतेजस्कम अप्राण, then 2 more, अमुखम अमात्रम, then अनंतरम अबाह्यम, न तदश्नाति किंचद न तदश्नाति कश्चन. Did I cover all?
Yes, Swami.
So you have to group, then you will remember. 3 mantras, 6th, 7th, 8th, but not all 3 from here. 6th mantra from Mundaka, 116, Yattadadreshyam Agrahyam Agotram. 7th mantra from
Mandukya.
and 8th mantra from here, 388. These 3 mantras, because they are our introduction, our Swarupa. Who am I? I was way. Now I have been told this is who I am. And it takes time for us to understand and change the way we think about ourselves. So this is new me, as they say. We have to remember this. Okay. See page number 857. Bhashya. Sohovacha Yajnavalkya. Etad vaitat, he says, etad vaitat, yat pruštavati asi. Etad vaitat, so Bhagavan Bhashyakar also recollects, Katha. What you asked is this. Like here he says, yat pruštavati asi, etat. Tat etat, that is this. Second number tippani. एतद् वैतद् इति अत्र उषस्थ प्रश्नोक्तम साक्षी चैतन्यत्वम पदलक्ष्यम एतत् पदेन विवक्षितम कहोल प्रश्नोक्तः तत्पदार्थो अथ तत्शब्दार्थः. इन एतद् वैतद् उषस्थ प्रश्नोक्तम साक्षी चैतन्य, उषस्थ ब्राह्मण, व्हाट वाज द नंबर?
चतुर्थ.
चतुर्थ. उषस्थ प्रश्नोक्तम साक्षी चैतन्यत्वम साक्षी चैतन्य त्वम पद लक्ष्यम. You have to read this way. Sakshi Chaitanya Tvam Pada Lakshyam. They have given Sakshi Chaitanya Tvam. But you have to separate Sakshi Chaitanya and Tvam Pada. What is Sakshi Chaitanya Tvam Pada Lakshyartha was discussed in Chaturtha Brahmana. That is Etat Padena Vivakshitam. In Etat Vaitat. Etat means Tvam Pada Lakshyartha. कहोल प्रश्नोक्तः तत्पदार्थो अथ तच्छब्दार्थः. एतद् वै तत्. तत् is what was discussed. Kahol Prashna. Kahol Brahmana was Panchama Brahmana. So in both of them, Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma, Atma Sarvantaraha, this was common in both Chaturtha as well as Panchama. And also Ashanayadi Ati Tattva was indicated. And Uttanayasya Vittaishanayasya Lokaishanayasya Vittayatha Bhikshacharyam Charanti. Some Eshana Tyaga was mentioned there, if I recollect. So this is Tat Shabdartha. कार्य कारण विनिर्मुक्तम अद्वयम स्वप्रकाशम असंगम वस्तु द्योतयितुम वै शब्द इति वदन्ति. What is the Atma Tattva? What is beyond Akasha is Akshara. What is that Akshara? Karya Karana Vinirmuktam, that which is neither Karyam nor Karanam. Advayam. Swaprakasham is Swaprakasha Rupam. Asangam Vastu Dyotaitum Vai Shabda iti vadanti. Etad Vai Tat. Tasminnu khalu Akasha Otasya Protasya iti. Kim tad aksharam yan nakshiyate naksharati iti va aksharam. Nakshiyate naksharati, whose kshaya, kshi kshaya dhatu or kshar, ksharane. Both dhatus indicate decay. Kshiyate is karmani, ksharati is atmane, kartari. Karmani and kartari. Naksharati iti va aksharam. Tad aksharam he gargi brahmana brahmavido abhivadanti. Brahmana abhivadanti in third number depend is given pratyaga bhinnam brahmaiva tad aksharam. Tika. अप्रतिपत्तिर विप्रतिपत्तिश्च इति दोषद्वयं सामान्येन उक्तं विशेषतो ज्ञातुं पृच्छति. अप्रतिपत्ति and विप्रतिपत्ति. Apratyapatti dosha, if you do not know of this tattva, then there is apratyapatti. Vipratyapatti, it is avachya and you do vachanam, you talk of it, that is vipratyapatti. So two doshas Gargi had in mind. So doshadvayam samanyena uktam. Now visheshatah jnatum prachyati. In tat. So now Bhagavan Bhashyakar puts the first part of the mantra into a question answer. Like how he says, see, Brahman abhivadana kathanena नाहम अवाच्यम वक्ष्यामि न च न प्रतिपद्येयम इति एवं दोषद्वयं परिहरति. ब्राह्मण अभिवदन्ति. सो ब्राह्मण अभिवदन कथनेन, by saying that brahmana abhivadanti, na aham avachyam vakshyami, that which is avachya, that I am speaking of, that vipratipatti dosha will not come, because I am not saying. Brahmanaha abhivadanti. So one dosha is removed. Na cha na pratipadyeyam. And not only, not that I don't know what it is. I know what it is. I don't speak of it, Brahmanas speak of it. So nacha na pratipadyeyam iti evam doshadvayam pariharati. Both doshas are eliminated by Yajnavalkya. Asthuladi vakyam avatarya vyakaroti. और नंबर टिप्पणी. ब्राह्मणानां चेत् तत् स्वसंवेद्यं तर्हि घटादिवन् निर्देश्यं स्यात् इति आशंक्य. Brahmananam chet swasamvedyam. If these brahmanas, they know as their own self, or they know it not as their own. Swasamvedyam means jnatam. Then ghatadivat nirdesham syat. Then like ghata, its nirdesha should be possible. Nirdeshyam vastu. Iti ashankya. Asthuladi vakyam. Now he begins. भाष्य. एवं अपाकृते प्रश्ने पुनर्गार्ग्याः प्रतिवचनं द्रष्टव्यम्. ब्रूहि किं तदक्षरं यद ब्राह्मणा अभिवदन्ति इति ukte aha. So the first part of the mantra you have to split into two. How Bhashyakar says here. Evam apakrite prashne. You have to read this way. Gargi asked the question. Then Yajnavalkya ji is answering. Sahovacha. Etad vai tad aksharam gargi brahmana abhivadanti. Full stop. Then Yajnavalkya ji stopped. Then Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, Evam apakrite prashne. So prashna, question has been answered. What is that? It is akshar. Means he knows what it is. Not that he is speaking of it, because brahmanaha abhivadanti. Apakrite prashne punar gargyaha prativachanam drashtavyam. Now Gargi is asking question again. Bruhi kin tad aksharam yad brahmana abhivadanti. Okay, tell me what is that which brahmanas speak of. Iti ukte aha. So to that question now he is answering. Asthulam. Asthulam tad sthulat anyat. It is not sthulam. Na sthulam asthulam. This is naya samas. Tat purusha. Evam tarhi anu na anu. Na anu. It is not anu. Astu tarhi hrasvam ahrasvam. It is not hrasvam. Evam tarhi dirgham napi dirgham adirgham. So it is not sthula, means it is not big, it is not small, it is not short. Hrasva means short. It is not tall or long. So neither big or small, nor short or tall. In Vishnu Sahasranama, Bhagavan's names are there. Anur Brihat Krishasthulo. Gunavan, Gunavat.
Gunabringir Guno Mahan. Adritasva Dritasva.
Anu, Paramatma's one name is Anu also. बृहत, बृहत मीन्स स्थूल, अणुर बृहत, कृशः, स्थूलः. Whatever is negated is indicated there also. Something just struck me, so I am indicating. Because he is beyond everything, Paramatma Tattva. So astu tarhi rasvam ahrasvam evam tarhi dirgham napi dirgham adirgham. These four are parimana. Evam etaish chaturbhihi parimana pratishedaihi dravya dharma pratisiddho. According to Nyaya, what are the four parimanas? Anu, Mahat, Hrasva, Dirgha. So they have given Anu, Mahat instead of Sthula, Mahat, and Hrasva, Dirgha. So all are negated. And for tadaksharam na dravyam tadaksharam ityarthaha. Second number टिप्पणी न द्रव्यमिति अत्र वार्तिके स्थूलादि परिमाणम ही द्रव्यमात्रव्यपाश्रयम् तस्माद् द्रव्य निषेधोयम परिमाण निषेधतः. स्थूलादि परिमाणम, स्थूल, अणु, ह्रस्व, दीर्घ, all these parimana, they are dravyashrita, द्रव्य मात्र व्यपाश्रयम. तस्मात् द्रव्य निषेधोयम परिमाण निषेधतः. परिमाण निषेध, if we do, द्रव्य निषेध has happened. सर्वथापि तु यत् किंचित वाचो गोचरतां गतम प्रमाणस्य च तत्सर्वम अक्षरे प्रतिषिध्यते. यत् किंचित, एनीथिंग दैट इज वाचो गोचरतां, वाचो विषयः, that is प्रतिषिध्यते, निषिध्यते in अक्षर. सर्वथापि उक्त विशेष निषेध अनुक्त विशेष निषेध उपलक्षणम. What is given is negated, what is not given is also negated. अस्तु तर्हि लोहितो गुणस ततोपि अन्य अलोहितम. It is not lohit also. What is lohita? See टीका. यदग्ने रोहितम रूपम इत्यादि श्रुतिमाश्रित्य आह आग्नेयो गुणो लोहितः. यदग्ने रोहितम रूपम, रोहित मीन्स लोहित, रलयोः अभेदः. Agni is lohita, so it is not having lohita guna. Brahma vastu, akshara doesn't have lohita guna. भवतु तर्हि अपाम स्नेहनम न अस्नेहम. Maybe it has the guna of jala, which is sneham, the drava. So that also it is not asneham. Five number tippani. Alohitam asneham iti murta dravyatva nishedha. It is not murta. Actually, dravyatva nishedha is done, then you don't have to do murta dravya and amurta dravya separately. But what is meant here is, it is not dravya, it is not guna. All dravya part is negated by pariman nishedha. Gunas are negated now. अस्तु तर्हि छाया Chaya, what is Chaya you see? On next page it is given, okay. सर्वथापि अनिर्देश्यत्वात् छायायाः अपि अन्यत् अछायम्. It is सर्वथापि अनिर्देश्यत्वात्. अछायम 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. छाया दीप्तिस्तमो ध्वांतम तदुभय भिन्नम इति चित् अतिरिक्तत्व शंका निराकृता इति वृत्तिकृत. छाया means adiptihi. Tamaha means dhvantam. Because achayam and then next is astutarhi tamaha. He says no, atamaha. So what are they? He says chaya is adipti and tama is darkness. Adipti means lack of light. Tamaha means darkness. Tad ubhaya bhinna iti chid atiriktatva shanka. Because Chaitanya is not Chaya Rupa or Tama Rupa. It is Prakasha Rupa. Further, Bhavatu Vayuhu Tarhi Vayustarhi Avayuhu. Maybe it is Vayu. I say, no, it is not. Bhavet Tarhi Akasham Anakasham. So Akash Vayu, you can say Amurta Dravya Nisheda if the earlier two are Murta Dravya. But all Mahabhutas are negated. Gunas are negated. Dravyatva is negated. What is the question?
Swamiji, previous page 4 टिप्पणी स्नेह शब्देन राग विशेष वारयति.
Upon. What 4 number टिप्पणी says on page 859 that sneha here doesn't mean raga. Sneha is like putra sneha, pitu sneha. So that this is not that sneha. This is the property guna of jalam. So it is not raga. Clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
भवतु तर्हि संगात्मकम जतुवत. Jatu means gum, the sap from certain trees, which is very sticky. So that its nature is to do sanga, sangatmakam. He said, no, this is asangam. Brahma Tattva is asangam. Rasostu tarhi arasam. It is not rasa. Tatha gandho astu agandham. So asangam arasam agandham. असंगो नहीं सज्जते इति श्रुते है 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. Further now. How many we have completed? 4 plus 4 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 13. Correct? Astu tarhi chakshuhu or chakshushkam. Is it chakshu? Is no, achakshushkam. Nahi chakshuhu asya karanam vidyate ato achakshushkam. It is that which does not have chakshuhu as its karanam. Chakshuhu asya karanam na vidyate. Chakshu is not its karanam. So therefore it is achakshushkam. Pashyati achakshuhu iti mantra varnat. In this pashyati achakshuhu shrunoti akaranaha, achakshu akaranaha is pradhana. Pashyati shrunoti is gauna. Pashyati shrunoti is only through upadhi, na tu swataha. इति मंत्रवर्णा तथा अश्रोत्रम सशृणोति अकर्ण इति भवतु तर्हि वाक् अवाक्. Maybe it is vag indriya. No, it doesn't have vag indriya. So this you can take in two ways. Ashrotram means it is not shrotrendriya, it is not karna, it is not vagindriya, it is not manaha. Or it is that which does not have these indriyas. So what is the importance of understanding this? That when these indriyas have dosha, I don't have dosha because I am not them. Indriyas are not going to be eternally functioning properly. Shrotra indriya, vag indriya, manaha, chakshur indriya. So their doshas, their defects are not in me. Tatha amanaha. Tatha atejaskam. Atejaskam avidyamanam tejo asya. Tad atejaskam. That which doesn't have any teja. What is that teja? 9 number. Tippani. Tejo atra vritti rupa vijnanam iti vritti. So teja here means vritti rupa vijnanam. Brahma is not vritti rupa. नहीं तेजो अग्नि आदित्यादि प्रकाशवद अस्य विद्यते. Agni Adityadi Prakashavad Asya Tejo na vidyate. It is not like bright as we understand in case of Agni, Aditya, etc. Therefore, because it is Jnana Swarupa, so Atejas come. Now, Tika, on the previous page. Avayu Visheshanena Aprana Visheshanasya Punaruktim Ashankya Aha. In mantra, you already said Avayu Anakasham. Then later you are saying Amano Atejaskam Apranaha. So Vayu Visheshana is already negated by saying Avayu. Then Aprana Visheshana is Punarukti. इति आशंक्याः अप्राणम आध्यात्मिको वायुः प्रतिषिध्यते अप्राणम इति. अप्राणम is आध्यात्मिक वायु and vayu is bhautika, external. So both are negated, avayu and aprana. Mukham tarhi dwaram tad amukham. Now what is mukham? This is slightly specific. See 11 number tippani. Dwaram iti. Dwaram mukham pratikam va yadi va lingam uchyate. Nishedo amukham ityevam trayasyapyabhidhiyate. This Sureshwaracharyaji's Vartika helps in these things. Dwaram, Mukham and Pratikam, they mean the same thing. These words are used for indicators, lingam. So, like what we say, hetu. So, linga is negated. Hetu drishtanta varjitam in Amrita Bindu Upanishad it is said. Nishedho amukham iti evam trayasya api abhidiyate. So, amukham, by saying that, nishedha of all three is done. This mantra or such nishedha mantras, they don't allow any kalpana about Atma. That's why everything is being negated. Mukham can also mean some chidram. So he gives chidra alambana chinneshu mukha shabda prayoga darshanat. Mukham or dwaram, etc. Some chidra is there. Alambana, support, taking support of which it is standing. Or chinna, some indicator, pratika. So none of them are there. Mukham. Further now in Tika. Ma means it is not pramata. Miyate yena tanmatram. Prameya. It is not prameya, not pramata, prameya. Niyate yena tanmatram. That which can be known, measured, is called matram. This is amatram. Amatrash chaturtha. Amatram iti manameya anvaya nirakaranam. Anvaya means sambandha. Amatram matra rupam tanna bhavati na tena kinchin miyate. It does not become matra, means prameya, and therefore na kinchin miyate, nothing can be measured through it. Means it cannot be known. So how can you use that to measure something else? Asutarhi छिद्रवत् अनंतरम न asya antaram asti. So this anantaram abahyam, this we have seen earlier also. Anantaram abahyam. Apurvam anaparam anantaram abahyam. Right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Where did it come? Anybody remembers? 2:5:19. Second chapter, 5th Brahmana. 2:5:19. Last one in that, just before the Vamsha Brahmana. So there I think these words were used. Chidram. Anantaram astutarhi chidravat anantaram न अस्य अंतरम अस्ति. Anantaram means it does not have antaram. Antaram means chidram. 5 number says chidram. Means if something is there, inside which if something else has to exist, there has to be a place for it to go, the other thing. If everything is, let us say, a wall, if there is a wall, if some rat has to go in, there has to be a hole for it to go. Chidram. So then there is antaram, or a pot is there, there is chidra on top. Then something else can be existing inside. In Brahma, there is no chidram, there is no hole. So na asya antaram asti. Bhavet tarhi bahihi tasya. Maybe there is something outside of it. It says no, abahyam. Outside it, there is nothing. Inside it, there is nothing. There is nothing inside Brahman, outside Brahman. Astu tarhi bhakshayitru. Maybe it is bhokta, bhakshayita. Tanna. Bhakshayitru because napunsakling. Tanna. Astu tarhi bhakshayitru tat na tad ashnati kinchana. This way you should read. Tat kinchana na ashnati. It does not become bhokta. This is one way we can take. And bhavet tarhi bhakshyam kasyachit na tad ashnati kasyana. Maybe it becomes bhakshya, means bhogya padartha. So it is said no. Na tad ashnati kasyana. Tad kasyana na ashnati. It cannot be consumed by anyone. 6 number Tippani gives slightly different interpretation. अनात्म व्यक्तीनां आनंद प्रत्येक निषेधा शक्तिर भोक्तृ भोग्यात्मना एकीकृत्य निषेधति न तदिति. निषेध. This is one. तद अक्षरम किंचिदपि विषयम न भुंक्ते कोपि लोकस तद अक्षरम न अश्नाति इत्यर्थः. अक्षरम does not bhunkte any vishaya, does not experience any vishaya. Kopi lokaha tad aksharam na ashnati, and nobody enjoys or experiences this Brahma. Means as a bhogya vastu. Because it is not different. Now in Vartika, how Sureshwaracharya took. Vartika tu व्याप्ति अर्थकम अश्धातुम अभ्युपगम्य उक्तम. अश्नुते अश्नाति आर गिवन, राइट? अश्नाति किंचन न तद अश्नाति कश्चन. सो अश धातु is for vyapti. So according to Sureshwaracharya, vyapya vyapaka sambandho cha api akshara vastuni व्याप्य व्यापक संबंधो न चाप्य अक्षर वस्तुनि न तदश्नाति वाक्येन यतस्तद वार्यते द्वयम्. व्याप्य व्यापक संबंध is not there in akshara. So in the beginning loosely we say Brahma pervades all. Paramatma pervades everything. But real Vyapaka Sambandha is not possible. But when Shastra says it is pervading all, it is Nityam Vibhum Sarvagatam Susukshmam. So then you don't start saying, no, it is not pervading, because I have already heard Pradhanyaka, you don't know. If somebody says it is pervading, you say yes. Because you have to do Shabdartha of what is given there. Vyapya Vyapaka Sambandha is Varyate by Natadashnati Vakyena. How? तथा च आद्य वाक्येन व्यापकत्वस्य निषेधो द्वितीयेन व्याप्यत्वस्य इति विवेकः न तदश्नाति किंचन बाय दैट वाक्य व्यापकत्व निषेध न तद अश्नाति कश्चन व्याप्यत्व निषेध It does not pervade anything, nothing pervades it. If you want, you note that down. Because directly that meaning may not come. It does not pervade anything, nothing pervades it. So if you see Vartika, that number is given. English translation of that Vartika, if anybody wants to see, it is on page number 321. Tritiya Adhyaya, Ashtama Brahmana, Vartika number 108. But if you read the English, it doesn't specifically explain what I just said. The sentence says only this. Also, in respect of the imperishable thing, that is reality, there is not to be entertained the relation as obtaining between the pervaded and the pervader. For in the sentence, na tad ashnati, that pair is denied. This is for Vyapya and Vyapaka. But what is what? So you should, this Tikakar, I think Anand Giriji has given in the Tika, in the Vartika. So based on that, Tippanikar has given. It does not pervade anything, nothing pervades it. Sarva Visheshana Rahitam ityarthaha. It is devoid of all Visheshanas. Then what it is? That which is Sarva Visheshana Rahitam is Ekam Eva Dvitiyam. Therefore, Ekam Eva Dvitiyam, this Vakya refers to Nirguna Vastu. Ekam Eva Dvitiyam is Nirguna. Hi tat kena kim vishishyate. Ekam eva dvitiyam hita. It is Ekam eva dvitiyam. Then kena kim vishishyate. If it is only one, then what visheshana will be there to become for what visheshya? Visheshana visheshya bhava itself is not there. So that is also all negated. It's a beautiful mantra. Tika Sampinditam Artham. Tasya iti Atmokti. Tasya Shabda is there. Tarhi Bahistasya Abahyam. Second line in Bhashya. So he says, outside of Atma. Sampinditam Arthamaha. Sampinditam Artha, all put together. Nishkrishtam. Sarva iti. Sarva Visheshya. Visheshana Rahitam. तद upapadayati ekam eva advitiyam. So that upapadanam is done. What is sarva visheshana rahitam? Ekam eva advitiyam. So this mantra is complete here. It's a beautiful mantra, oft quoted. As I said, this is our swarupa. We have to know this. We have to dwell on it. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.